So welcome back, guys. Your boy Keys. We're live here on Dragon Vase Airdrop DRV CoinMarketCap. So this token is currently tracked. Market data is tracked. Just some of the figures here have not been circulation have not been verified though. It says CMC team has not verified the project's market cap and more. However, we're going to be checking out on the project itself, so you can check out to see other perks about this project. Official website is here to see more on this airdrop. Well, this airdrop is going to be ending 5 days as recording. So they're giving out one NFT. So it's an NFT based airdrop. About 4 million participants already. So first and foremost, all you need to do is to add this airdrop to your watch list. Make sure you add it to your watch list. The Dragon Vase has been added to our watch list successfully. And airdrop is going to be ending February 28th. Started February 8th. The Dragon Vase CoinMarketCap NFT Airdrop campaign. They will be giving out 170 NFTs to 170 lucky participants. So you can still jump on this project, as it is majorly, most of these airdrops are not usually a first come first serve basis. They usually pick winners on a random basis, and they usually require you to complete some basic and task. And also there are also bonus tips where you can increase your chances of winning. One being that you need to stay active on this platform, retweet their pin post. You can also pin their post to your profile. Could add as another advantage to you, but since you'll be doing loads of airdrop, you want to pin the ones that are close to shortlisting, when the winner list, the list of winners will be are being recorded. So you want to do that when it's close by. So as says what user can do. Then also it also tells you that you need to do retweet their pin post, or tag at least 3 to 10 friends, but you can tag as much as 100 friends that are interested in crypto airdrops. So these are just the basic steps you need to do. So if you want to participate in this airdrop, you can click on this join now, added it to your watch list, submit your BEP wallet address. Majorly they usually request you submit your MetaMask. I think MetaMask is one of the most compatible. You can use other ones like Trust Wallet, but we do recommend the MetaMask. So guys, that's it. It's your bike keys. Stay tuned. Cheers. Any question, let us know. Peace out, guys.